Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 186 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا سألك عبادي عني فإني قريب. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Wa, e. Hamza is sharp sound and very strong. For kasra, give e sound. Wa, e. The is 2 counts long. And let me take my pen. 2 counts long. Okay. Sa is short. A short. The sound of Hamza is very sharp. It pinches your ears when you say it. Sa'ala short. Ka sa'alaka. Ain is short. For it should be from your throat. Ba is 2 counts long. D 2 counts long. Ibadi anni for ain should be from your throat. Attached with noon, it will get gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so the sound the gunna should be longer. Anni, and then natural long vowel is also 2 counts long. An, this is gunna, and ni is 2 counts long vowel. Fa, it should be hums on fa. Fa, in, hamza is very sharp sound attached with noon, and there is gunna akmal. So this whenever there is noon or mim with tashdid, will get akmal gunna, and the gunna will take longer here. In and ni is 2 count long vowel. So this is gunna in, this is gunna, and now I'm making 2 counts long vowel. Ni, fa inni. Off is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Qarib. This is mad arid li sukoon. You are giving sukoon at the end because you are stopping at the end. And if you will find 2 counts long vowel, you will change it to 4 counts long, and this is called mad arid li sukoon. Qarib. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach and hamza is very sharp sound. And sound is short. G 2 counts long vowel because this matches this combination. Ya, before ya there is kasra. So this is the same. Ya, before ya there is kasra. So we are making it 2 counts long. Ujibu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Da, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. It is attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut whenever Lin Omar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and ain is one of them. Da. So the sound should flow in a medium length. Da. For wow, circle your lips. So fatha, open your jaws. Tad. Da. Da'wat da'i. Okay, I'm not stopping here, so it will be 2 counts long, and ain is short. For kasra, give e sound. Da'wat da'i. Saying da shouldn't attach ain. It should be different, very much separate. Da'i, da'i, e. Hamza is very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. The 2 counts long. The short. You're stopping here. So we are giving sukoon at the end. So temporary sukoon, if temporary sukoon is there's 2 counts long vowel before it, we'll change it to 4 counts long. Then this is called mad arid lis sukoon. Da'an. Fell. For fa, give hums and attach with lam, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Lenomar are the letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Fell, yes. Yes, very soft sound attached with seen. Seen will get sifa of rahawa and safir. There should be a whistle sound in seen very nicely. Yes. Ta is short. G, 2 counts long. Make sure there is no chanak sound, no no ch sound in Jim. G, boo, boo is 2 counts long. Boo. The way G long, boo is long too. G, boo, lee is 2 counts long too. Well, for wow, circle your lips, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, you. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with hamza, hamza will give it a very sharp, strong sound because it has shidda effect of shidda. Very sharp sound. It pronounces and stops there and then. Well, you, me, me is short. No is 2 counts long. Make sure you are circling your lips for every dhamma. B, 2 counts long. La, short. Al, ain from your throat, attached with lam. Lam gets if of the La, al, la is short. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with meme. Meme will get if of the wasat. Here, yes, very soft letter for fatha open your jaws attached with raw. Raw will get sifa of the wasud. Here, and raw will be heavy. Here, shoe for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. Doon. We are applying mad arad li sukoon. At the end, you will get sifa of the wasud because you are giving sukoon at the end, and you will make it 4 counts long. This is called مد عدد للسكون. وإذا سألك عبادي عني فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعان فليستجيبوا لي وليؤمنوا بي لعلهم يرشدون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.